Hey everyone, thanks for tuning into Crypto ZX. If you're new to the channel, do not forget to hit the red subscribe button and the like button. It really does help out my channel a lot and really keeps me going for making videos for you guys. But with that being said, let's jump right in today's content. Before I begin, just want to give you guys a quick disclaimer. Anything on this channel should not be taken as financial advice because I'm not a financial advisor. Cryptocurrencies are super volatile, so please do your own due diligence and research before investing in these markets. Looking at the overall crypto market cap today, guys, you guys can see we are currently sitting at $912 billion, down 0.2% in the last 24 hours. Meanwhile, BTC dominance, on the other hand, is currently sitting at 40.4%. Looking at the overall markets, guys, you guys can see we are seeing quite a bit of red across the board once again, especially if we are looking at the last 24 hours. But most importantly, look at the last 7 days. Majority of the markets, majority of the coins are down double digits. And again, exactly what I have been talking about on my channel for quite some time, the price of Bitcoin not being able to close above 22k, which is a very, very crucial price that the price of Bitcoin really needs to be above. And we have not seen to have gone above that. And the markets are plummeting down once again. Today is the weekend. We need to keep that factor in mind. As you guys may know, a lot of manipulation does occur on the weekends, but nothing too exciting happening right now within the price of Bitcoin along with the cryptocurrency markets. But today, guys, I want to look further into one of the projects that we absolutely love on our channel, and that's none other than Vechain. All right, my Vechain family, if we are looking at the price right now, it is currently trading at 0.022 cents, down 0.2% in the last 24 hours in USD comparative, but it is up 0.2% in Bitcoin comparative over the last 24 hours. Vechain's current rank in the cryptocurrency market ranking is at the top 35th spot with a market cap of $1.6 billion. And the 24-hour trading volume is at $74.7 million. So one thing to keep in mind right now is that the 24-hour trading volume is very, very low for the price of Vechain, and that's something I want to point out for you guys. But if we are zooming out and looking at the bigger picture in just the last year alone, we are down 74.2%. But again, it's not only Vechain that's down, it's the entire market that is down quite a bit since last year highs. But if we are comparing it from the all-time lows, which was set back on March 13th, 2022, it's still up 1,000% from that point. So let's not forget that when we are looking at the prices. But now let's get right into the charts and see what exactly is going on and where could we be going in the immediate short term. So as you guys can see, the price is currently trading at 0.02247 cents, still hovering sideways for quite some time. And we have been below the 78.6 since April 20th. We have not managed to see the price go above that 78.6 since April 20th. And it's been quite some time, almost nearly 2 months since the price of Vechain has not revisited these price points. And a lot of people are saying Vechain is very boring, nothing has been happening, we're going nowhere. But you guys already know my stance. I've always said patience is the number one key to follow. But right now, if we are looking at the daily price and the charts, you can't see much is going on. So what, let me share the 1 hour time frame with you guys to really get a better understanding as to what really is going on. So we did see the price of Vechain hit a low of 2 cents on June 18th. June 18th was the time where we saw the price of Vechain go down to that 2 cents mark. And since then, we have not managed to revisit these prices. If I'm bringing out the measuring tool for you guys, since then, the price of Vechain is still up 12.14%. Obviously, nothing crazy, nothing too exciting, but we're still up 12% from those price points. But now comes a question that everyone wants to be asking: is the price of Vechain going down to this level once again, and most importantly going below it? That's the question that I've been seeing a lot lately, whether it's on Twitter, Telegram. A lot of people want to know if that is possible, and the answer to that is absolutely, it is possible right now, because look what's happening with the price of Bitcoin. I've been talking about the price of Bitcoin for quite some time with you guys, and again, it has not managed to go back above that 22k level of resistance. And right now we are literally holding right above the 78.6 Fibonacci retracement level support line. If the price of Bitcoin does not close above $20,000 in the next 24 hours, I am expecting the price to go even further down and maybe even revisit 18,000 or go below that. What is that going to have an effect? What kind of effect is that going to have on the entire market? If this were to happen, I do see the price of Vechain going down, obviously, because Bitcoin is the leading indicator. Everything is going to follow with that. And if we were to go down, that is 11% move towards the downside. Is that possible? It's definitely possible right now in this immediate short-term market momentum, because it is very, very bearish. BTC dominance, on the other hand, is currently sitting at 43.26%, has been hovering around that for quite some time. But right now, we do need to see the price of Bitcoin try to close above 20K. That would be something nice to see. But if it's unable to close above 20K, which I don't think it is going to do, also, I'm going to be quite honest with you guys, that does mean we are in danger zone, and we could be expecting a major pullback once again for the price of Bitcoin, and we could possibly retest that $17,500 price point that we saw just on June 13th. That flash crash we had seen happen for the price of Bitcoin. We could see that happen once again. And what is that going to happen? What kind of effect is that going to happen on Vechain? Definitely it is going to react, and we could possibly even fall further down below that 2 cents mark. One reason as to why I believe that is because the buying pressure is right now, it's absolutely not there. The buying pressure that we need for Vechain is just not there as of now. So we need more buying pressure coming in. And also, like I said, the overall market momentum in the absolute immediate short term right now is just talking about these movements to happen. And I would not be surprised if that were to happen. Obviously not something that we all want to be hearing right now, but you guys know what I've been talking about for literally ages at this point. Vechain, without a doubt, in my personal opinion, one of the most solid projects in the cryptocurrency space, because they have a working product, guys. They are working with some of the biggest retailers, some of the biggest companies around the globe. And guess what? Vechain is working with them because they have a working product. And the blockchain space is still very new. Not a lot of companies really understand that. And projects like Vechain are really helping these companies implement it within their organizations to really see them succeed and really see the power of what this industry is really all about. And projects like Vechain are helping push the cryptocurrency space towards mass adoption. I do see this project here to stay and succeed in the long haul. The price action, definitely, it's not a surprise as of now. It's not been very fun. It's not been very bullish. It has been very boring. But remember, the people that are accumulating while there's a lot of fear across the board, there's a famous saying, be greedy while others are fearful, be fearful while others are greedy. So the people that are being greedy right now, where there's a lot of fear across the board right now, those are the people that tend to do good, especially in the bull cycle. And if the price of Vechain goes below that 2 cents mark, which is definitely not out of the woods just yet, I'm not complaining. I will try to accumulate more bags at this price, because you guys know what happened to the price of Vechain just last year. It hit an all-time high of 27, about 28 cents. And since then, guys, look how far we have pulled down. I'm bringing out the measuring tool for you guys. We have seen the price of Vechain drop 92% since then. So accumulating at this point does not hurt me at all. And I do believe this project is going to rebound very quickly, especially in the next bull cycle. I do see it hitting above its all-time high prices of 28 cents. And this is the opportunity for myself to accumulate, because I really do believe in this project. But that is it, guys. Not financial advice. You guys do what works for you, and let me know in the comment section below what are you guys doing right now and where you could see the price of Vechain go at the end of this year. I love you all. Thank you so much. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I will see you guys tomorrow. It's been CryptoZX, and